So traditionally, video making was restricted to filmmakers and artists, but in the 21st century, the rules are changing. Videos are the most powerful and effective medium of communication. So it's a no-brainer that video literacy is a must for our kids. So just like a science or a computer lab, the XQ Video Lab is an active learning space in your school where the kids learn the art and science of video making. It consists of hardware like shooting gear, software like animation, editing, camera confidence apps, a showcase platform where kids can put up their video projects, a learning management system where they can access the video lessons and collaborate with classmates to make wonderful video projects. And that's not all. We also provide teacher training so that teachers can integrate video making into their curriculum. We create video clubs in schools so that it fosters a culture of video making. We also get filmmakers and YouTubers to come to school to inspire kids to become the next generation of content creators. So the XQ Video Lab is a simple yet powerful idea which enables kids to express themselves better and become confident communicators for life. So I would urge you to join hands with us in this learning revolution. Get an XQ Video Lab for your school today.